And it was time to massage the foot. So, using the pedicure lotion, which contains lots of essential oil for the massage, she took some amount, applied it all over my foot, and began the massage process. I hope you enjoyed this. A pedicure session is never complete without this massage session. You need this, you deserve this. It is very therapeutic because you work on your food. You do a lot of things with your food, so you need it to be massaged. You need to get them up and running again. You need this massage to get your blood flow. You also need your massage for effective blood circulation. You need them to ease up tightened muscles. You need it to reduce the tension. And you also need this for relaxation and to ease pain because you work on your food. You need to ease all that pain you've gathered. So let us motivate you to go for your pedicure soonest. She finished off with one foot and proceeded to do the same for the other foot. And we are done.